Yo, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. This is Honda CB125R 69 plate. My channel is about to save you money as much as we can. The minimum of 5 to 20 videos I make each bike. So this video going to be about exhaust removal, because that exhaust looks crap as you see on here. It's been standing properly for a long time, and let's make it look better again. So as I said, I do a minimum 5 to 20 videos each bike. In this bike we got so much to replace, so much to upgrade, and to make this bike look good again. So check my channel, subscribe. If it's not only this bike, I got so many bikes. If you just check my channel, you're going to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's crack on and remove these dirty exhausts. Okay, so tools you will be needed is basically 30mm socket. You can do with a spanner if you don't have a socket. It all depends, you know. And then we got 2 boys in here. If you see, they're pretty rusty. Always be careful because it don't look too good in here. But yeah, you got 2 boys in here, and then you got 1 boy just right there. It's a bit rusty as well. Hopefully it will come off with no problem whatsoever. So yeah, let's crack on, remove these 2 boys in here, and then we're gonna jump on that one. It should actually come off pretty easy. Also, before we remove all this stuff, there is this sensor on exhaust. It's all up to you. You can try to remove it now, or you just unplug this wiring in here, which is just right up there. So which I'm probably gonna, in my case, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna unplug this thingy and just take exhaust fully with all this sensor. Sensor will come off anyway. I want to clean it out, and but yeah, that's that. Let's move on. Okay, so it's a little bit rusty. I will remove this boy in here as what I already undid this part of exhaust, because it's a little bit rusty. I would suggest you to actually get a little hammer, make sure you don't damage nothing else, and just give a little bangs. It's like a little clips in here, so just push this little, I don't know what you call little things, and that's coming out as well, and that came off as well because I did press it before, so it came out, no damage or nothing. Brilliant. So let's have a look at the exhaust. Oh damn, it's crap. It does look really bad, but no worries, we will fix it, we will sort it, we will make it good again. Basically the video is about to remove exhaust, but you can use this one, this little video, just a little tip how to remove exhaust. For example, if you want to replace it exhaust, or you want to upgrade it to the better one, that's, you know, that's what a lot of people do. I may try to find some Scorpio, some exhaust. If I'm not going to get the best prices, I'll probably refresh this one, clean all this stuff, respray with special color, make sure it's not get rusty again, and a high temperature as well. And yeah, that exhaust is off. The boys, we took it off, show you in a second. So these 2 are from actually the cylinder. It comes from this end, and this boy, it just goes in here. It goes middle of the frame. It was a struggle to actually to get this one off, but I did it. I think it's actually the 12mm, but I have to use, I banged on the 11mm to make sure it don't damage the bolt, but I'm probably going to replace with a new one anyways. So yeah, thanks for watching. Find a little tip for yourself, subscribe to my channel, smash that like button as well. Any questions, anything you didn't see on a video, comment below, feel free. I will back SAP to you. And anything about any bike, just comment below if you're interested about something, or you need a little tips or help. Just go on, don't be shy, or don't think something's not good in here. Just come on, comment below and ask for more help. Right, have a good one.